Hello, my name is Beichen Deng. Here is my project video presentation. My project, as you can see, is a small Python web crawler. A web crawler actually is a very useful and powerful tool that can be implemented by Python. Relatively easier compared with using other kind of programming languages. So, what is a web crawler or spider? A web crawler or spider is actually a program or internet bot which systematically browses the web pages, usually gets a lot of information from those web pages. So what is the purpose of automatically and systematically browsing web pages? Actually, sometimes we need a lot of information from internet to help us make decisions or make some predictions. That's very important for us individuals or big companies. We know that the more information we have, the more likely it can be to make right decisions or predictions. However, to collect or select a large amount of information with similar attributes is a time-consuming and tedious job for everybody, and it is very inefficient. If you search the internet web pages one by one, but we know the computers and programs are very good at doing this kind of repeated jobs. So why don't we just write a programs using a certain language to help us to make decisions and predictions? That's why I read this web crawler, and why I want to get some certain information from the internet. So next, who will use a web crawler? Actually, a web crawler is so powerful that it can be used in almost all of industries that need big data to make decisions. For example, internet companies can collect information about the preference of their customers so that they can improve their products and make more benefits. So the most important part, how does my web crawler work? The entire project consists of several important modules. First one is main module. The program starts here, and then the main module calls all of the other modules like URL manager module, and then the URL manager module stores or manage all of the web links or URLs we have already crawled or not. And the downloader module downloads all of the information from all of those web pages, and the information parser parses all of the information and find out what we really need, and then pass them to an exporter, and exporting the selected data to a HTML file or TXT file and save them. So I'm gonna demonstrate my project web crawler. The function of my web crawler is to start from a Wikipedia entry Python. That is the entry from this web page. From this web page, and automatically process a certain amount of entries linked from this entry and get all of the titles of every entry. Mm. Here you can see I have all of the important modules in my project. This information storage is the exporter. Here's the main URL manager. Grabber is the downloader, and the parser. We start from the main module. Here I said the amount of web pages that need to be browsed is really small. It's just 50. That is just for the convenience of demonstration. I can change it to any number, but it consumes a lot of time. So here I said 50. So let's start. Here we can say all of the web pages, their links, their URLs are shown here, and their titles are imported to this file. Finished. Let's look at this file. Now we look at the final outcome. Uh, all of the required information is stored in this HTML file. Let's open it and see it. So as you can see, on the left side, all of the URLs that have been browsed and parsed are listed. And on the right side is the information we need. All of the titles of all of the entries. So starting from the entry Python, and save all of these entry titles. If I set, actually, basically that is my project, as you can see, all of these information titles. But if I set this, I said if this number, a very big number, the HTML file can be really long. And if I make some changes to my parser, and make some changes to this part of my parser, I can get totally different information I want, not only just titles. So that's it.